started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space trade flying through the skies and battles happen.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a baked chicken butterfly. I'm going to do it with an Asian twist. It's the first time I'm trying this. Let me see how it comes out. But your ingredients you're going to need is some basil, some garlic pepper, seasoning salt, ham spray or non-stick spray. I got some oyster sauce over here in the container, some black pepper, and some salt, and maybe a little sugar. I think what I'm gonna do now, instead of using the black pepper, I might use white pepper, because if you're in Asia, black pepper, the black pepper that we're used to in the United States is a little bit different. So I think I'm gonna substitute the black pepper with this white pepper that I found. Anyway, let's begin. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is measure out all my ingredients here. I got my rubs and everything, my oyster sauce, my white pepper, garlic pepper, basil leaves, soy sauce, seasoning, and sugar. Then all mixed together, make down a rub. And once we get our chicken all filleted, we're gonna like put the rub together and then put it together real good. In a bowl right now, we're gonna put everything together. We're gonna add our dry ingredients first. I don't know if you want to make it spicy, but we can. Give that a gentle stir. Get that all mixed in together. Don't worry, chicken is very forgiving, so you can kind of experiment with it. I'm gonna add in our oyster sauce. There, a little bit out of there. Get that going. Our soy sauce. It's going to make a pretty good rub down for your chicken. That mixed in real good, and just set it to the side. And we're going to start on filleting our chicken. So today I scored, went to the market pretty early. Got a young chicken right here. The regular total price is $12.48, but since I'm a member of the club, I only paid $5.58, a savings of $6.90. This is in California, Vaughn's Market. You go there like during the week, you can find pretty good deals. So this is what we're going to be cooking right now. The actual chicken is about 6¼ pounds. So this is enough food to feed me for a while, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead on and cut this sucker up. Okay, right now I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using an older stove, so don't trust what the dials say. Actually use a thermometer. I have a thermometer in my stove to try to get that exact heat of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So you want to preheat your oven right now, so it'll be ready to go when you actually get your chicken prepared. Yeah, I'm going to be cooking this in the oven, so I got a little stuff here where I put like a baking pan with a grill above it. I'm going to spray that down with some ham, which is non-stick spray. The vegetable oil, find this anywhere. And now we're gonna dissect our chicken. What we're gonna do right now is butterfly our chicken. I have some butcher shears right here. And what you do is you want to catch it by the butt like this. Kind of cut through the bones like a rib. Right up. Take your time. Make that up with very careful right here. Don't want to cut your hand. Through the bone inside your backbone. This is a butterfly effect. So you're basically removing the chicken backbone. You can use that later. Okay, now I got my chicken butterfly. Season it with our mix, our wet mixture. Take like my little brush here. Coat it. Start on the butterfly side first. Like this. Not much room in here, so I do like this little kitchen. Get down after work. You're gonna flip it. Hey, there's no chicken wing tip. Okay. Put that over again. Those thighs. Okay, I also have my injection tool. Gonna sit here and put some flavor inside. Right. Okay, that's it. Now that I got my chicken marinated, getting ready to put it in the oven. Like I said, we preheated the oven for 400. We're only going to keep it on 400 for about maybe 20 minutes. To get that little brown crust going on side, and then we're gonna lower it after that to about 325. Just press a little bit, like I said. Don't forget to spray your little pan here with some non-stick oil. I use pan, vegetable oil, or you can just grease it down yourself. Okay guys, it's been 25 minutes. We're gonna check on our chicken. Yeah, you see that right there? That's exactly what you want to see before you cover it in foil. What I'm gonna do first, before I do that, I'm gonna add 1/4 of water to it to keep it moist. That would create a steam around the chicken. But that's the brownness I was talking about, why I had it on 400 and put it uncovered. I want that brownness. Now I'm gonna lower my heat down to 325. So I'm using the old stove, so make sure you check your thermometer. I have a thermometer in my oven for exactness. I'm gonna cover this over with some aluminum foil. Careful not so it doesn't slide off into the floor. That would be disastrous. Got little vents on the side. We're just covering the top, keep the steam in. And now we're gonna put this in the oven once we get down to 325. We're there now. We're gonna put 7 and we're gonna let it cook now. Say about hour, 60 minutes, hour and a half, like that, and see what we come up with. We're gonna check it at that time and see if we're done or not. Okay, we hit the 1 hour mark. Let's check on our chicken. Temperature went up a little bit. We're gonna like reduce our heat. So we want it to actually slow cook, not fast cook. Come out here. Oh, and that's looking beautiful. We're looking so beautiful. I'm not gonna stuff it anything like that because I remember I butterflied it in the back. But that's looking real beautiful. That's what I want to do. So, then 60 minutes. I'm gonna let it go for another 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna take the temperature. Okay. Gonna leave it in a little bit longer because it hasn't hit the poultry benchmark right there in the breast. See, I have my thermometer. I always cook with a thermometer. So let's come back to this. Okay, now it's been like an hour and a half. We're gonna pull our chicken out and check out that beauty. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so enjoy.